this car. But first of all, I need to take this belt off, which so somehow I have to remove the tension.
Hey everyone, just to give you a heads up, this probably isn't going to be a very interesting video. It's mostly just us taking apart the engine and cleaning it. But it's mostly just music. If you guys want to look at it, basically a slideshow with music on it, there you go. The next video should be us rebuilding the engine, and the one after that should probably be us putting it in the car, hopefully. But I will interject every once in a while to kind of give you context of what's going on in the picture. But other than that, enjoy.
Da, 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 da. Alright. Yep.
I just figured there's always all kinds of things still hooked on, so there'll probably be more. Keep going out?
Yeah, going up.
I have to go a little bit. There's some holes in the way. Almost over. There you go. Should be able to go out on this side.
Keep going up.
Transmission,
Very good.
a little higher than the transmission's clear. If it starts falling, remember, just run.
Get my feet out of the way.
Yeah.
I don't see no cable slipping here. Much water down, yes. Oh, there you go. Oh, sitting in your truck?
Yeah, I suppose. There's not much.
Once this engine's pretty much out of the bay and you have the intake taken off, it's actually pretty small. I mean, next to a Ford 5.0 small block, I mean, it's basically like a Ford small block with a slightly small, tighter degree on the angle and missing two pistons, obviously. But, I mean, it's a freaking tiny engine. I mean, for having 3.8 liters of displacement, it's pretty tiny. And you remove the bolts on the bottom.
I was kind of hoping to.
Long push rods.
See if we can find where those go.
This is me taking apart the heads. I didn't really have the right tool at the time to do it. I do now, and I've taken apart a head with it. It was the head for the single red cam Dodge 2.5 liter. It was way easier to take the springs off using an actual tool I got off Amazon. It was like $50, which it was totally worth it. The tool I'm using in this video was like $13 from O'Reilly Auto Parts, and it was awful. I was like beating on it to get the springs in it out and whatnot, and to get the keepers to actually come out. In the end, I actually broke the tool and bent the arms on it, so it was definitely useless when I was done with it, and that only got through 1.5 heads doing that. So I suggest if you're ever doing head work, get a spring compressor, an actual one, because oh my god, that one I was using is awful, absolutely awful. This is where, after I got the heads done at a machine shop, I got the valve guides replaced. I had the head milled and cleaned. I mainly just wanted it cleaned. If you look at all these photos, and there's a comparison in here, that you can see the old with the new after it's been cleaned. There's a huge difference. All the valves were cleaned. I think 2 of them were replaced because they were just bad. But other than that, I mean, I don't care how much it was way justified for how clean these are. I mean, these are so clean, I could literally eat off them and not care at all. This is what you do when you don't have a truck available and you have a huge trunk. You just throw your whole entire dirty engine block right in the back, and you bring it down to the truck store, to a truck shop, and they'll clean it for you. These guys are super nice, and this is the second time I've had them clean something, and for free, you can't beat it. They're freaking amazing guys. They show me around the shop every time. I ask them questions, and they're happy to answer me. Really nice guys. Well, that wraps up. It's just basically, like I said in the beginning, it's going to be kind of a boring video, just kind of cleaning things up and pulling it out. I want to give a special thanks over to Inland Truck Parts and Service in Kansas City, Missouri. Those guys are really nice. They're the guys that clean the engine block, and they're always happy to at least help me out, and I'm happy they help me out. They're super nice guys. And over in the Clay County Engine Rebuilders, they rebuilt my heads, and they're super nice about it too. I mean, they have a really nice service lady up front, and she helped a ton. And I mean, price wise, it's, you get what you pay for, that's for sure. And thank you all you guys out there. I mean, this isn't really an interesting project other than I'm sticking a minivan engine in a little tiny sports car. These engines don't get too much love because were specifically kind of built for a large car van purpose. And I mean, there's no reason these can't be fun. I mean, they're everywhere. They're like 10 times more abundant than an LS engine. They came in every freaking Chrysler van built. They're hard not to find, honestly. And I just want to see what y'all you can do with this, and hopefully this turns out a pretty good ride. Yeah, thanks guys.
She gave my check back. The car was mine, and I did the work for it. Had another mechanic that found out what it needed.